I moisturized my hair the previous day and put it in twists. So the following day, which was the day I styled, I put some oil in my palm and used it to take down the twist, and then I separated the twist with my fingers. For this style, I'll be using some thread in place of rubber band and also some hairspray. This is a DIY hairspray I made from clove and rosemary infused in water. You can use plain water as I sometimes use, or any moisturizer of your choice. I just decided to infuse clove and rosemary in the water I use just for its added benefit to the scalp and hair. So I'm using the thread in place of the rubber band because when I tried the rubber band, it didn't really give me the puff I wanted. That's why I used the thread. But if you have thicker, longer hair, you can use the rubber band if you so desire. I tripled the thread and made it a bit short so that I wouldn't have to go around the hair several times. I repeated this for the two other sections. Do watch out for the behind the scenes of this particular styling in the latter part of this video. I had to undo the first two sections and roll them back upwards, as you will see shortly. So the hairstyle I'm trying was sent to me by a subscriber some time ago. I couldn't recreate the front section, but I loved the outcome of this hairstyle. So as I mentioned earlier in the video, I had to undo this and roll it back up. At the front section, I tried a couple of styles to see which one was closer to the one in the picture. But at the end of the day, I just had to do what my hair could allow. Maybe I could have done better, but this was what I could do at the time. So this behind the scene is just to let you know that I didn't get everything right from start. I had to give it a second and a third try to get it done, and finally I did it the way I wanted to. It didn't really look exactly as it was in the picture, but it came out good. If this video was helpful, don't forget to click the like button. This was the original style. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.